everyone. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Urdhva Dhanurasana, but we're doing a supported variation using a chair. Going into the final pose, there's a lot going on. This chair variation specifically helps you to get a little bit more of that arch in the upper back and allows you to get more opening in the armpit and shoulder region. This is from Eyal Shifrani's book, Chair for Yoga. So you can see here I have a mat down on the floor, short edges at the wall. I have a chair with the seat of the chair facing away from the wall, or the back of the chair facing towards the wall. And then you have a folded mat on top of the chair rail. The folded mat is going to help you to get a little bit of grip on the shoulder blades. You're going to lean back and you just clip the edge, the bottom edge of the shoulder blades onto this mat piece that you have on the chair rail. The feet, this is a very important step. They climb up the legs of the chair. Now, first option, you can just have your hands on your front ribs, and then on the inhalation, you start to lift up. You lift the buttocks up from the mid-buttocks as you roll the upper thighs in. And you'll feel that now the back is starting to arch over this chair rail. You can let the head go. You can remain here, or take one arm and straighten it and hand to the wall, and then the other arm. Now, if you're more experienced, you can start to walk down the wall as well as focusing on lifting the pelvis from the mid-buttocks. Then to come out, walk up the wall. You can hold on to the back of the neck and then come down. Now, if that feels like it went okay, you can take the chair a little bit closer to the wall. Do be mindful, this part is quite important to keep your feet on the chair legs so that the chair doesn't tilt back. Happy practicing, and let us know if you have any questions. Namaste.